That embarrassing growling sound your stomach makes has a name. It's called borborygmi, and it's one of the most sophisticated biological processes happening inside your body right now. It doesn't start in your stomach. It starts in your brain. Your brain tracks exactly when you last ate, and about 90 minutes before your next expected meal. It fires a signal down the vagus nerve, one of the longest nerves in your body, all the way into your digestive system. This triggers peristalsis, powerful, muscular waves squeezing through your empty stomach and intestines. But here's the key: your stomach is empty. So instead of pushing food, these contractions are squeezing air and gas through a narrow muscular tube. That squeeze is the growling you hear. Simultaneously, your stomach lining releases a hormone called ghrelin, the hunger hormone. Ghrelin races through your bloodstream directly to your brain, triggering conscious hunger, food cravings, and increased saliva. Your whole body is being prepared for incoming food. But there's one more hidden process most people never know about. Your gut runs an automatic cleaning cycle every 120 minutes called the migrating modo complex, a powerful wave that sweeps through your entire 9-meter digestive tract, clearing bacteria, debris, and leftover particles. Without it, harmful bacteria could build up and cause serious infections. And here's what will truly blow your mind. Your gut has its own independent nervous system, 500 million neurons embedded in your intestinal walls, firing constantly, making decisions completely independently of your brain. Scientists call it the second brain. That growling stomach is not just hunger, it's your body's most sophisticated cleaning system.